Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss an important current affairs topic, the states and the national current affairs in January 2025. So in this video I'll discuss all the important current affairs of January month of 2025. So this is very important for all competitive exam. So before starting the video, I request you, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also please like and share this video. So now let's start the video. So question number 1. Ministry of Consumer Affairs has partnered with the messaging platform GoopSoup to introduce a web-based AI artificial intelligence virtual assistant named Jagriti to simplify the process of filing consumer complaints. Next, question number 2. The company has launched a 10-minute ambulance service in Gurugram by Blinkit. Next, question number 3. The city is to be the 69th railway division of the Indian Railway. Northern Railway Zone is Jammu. Next, question number 4. Launched the revamped the BankNet portal for the e-auction for the properties including commercial properties, industrial land, shop, vehicles and agricultural and the non-agricultural land by Financial Service Secretary M. Nagaraju. Next, question number 5. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT has partnered with the Seedred Venture, a venture debt firm, to crystallize the growth of Indian startups and widen their global footprint. Next, question number 6. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the 13-kilometer additional section of the Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut Namo Bharat corridor. 13-kilometer additional section, and with the inauguration of Delhi will get the first Namo Bharat connectivity. The corridor worth of 4,600 crores. Next, question number 7. eSorum portal has been upgraded and it will now available in all the 22 scheduled languages so that the unorganized worker from different regions of the country can access it and avail the government benefits. Next, question number 8. Central government has approved the establishment of a memorial dedicated to the former President Pranab Mukherjee in the Rashtriya Samriti complex situated in the Rajghat area of New Delhi. Next, question number 9. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR has developed the technology to produce the paracetamol indigenously. Next, question number 10. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has inaugurated the Gandhi Darshan Art Gallery at Rajghat in New Delhi. Next, question number 11. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has launched the Bharat Pol portal developed by the Central Bureau of Investigation with FBI in New Delhi. Next, question number 12. Launched the Empower Beach Sapno Ki Udan in partnership with the news of India's largest 24/7 convenience retail chain under its award to the Reward ATR program by Women Entrepreneurship Platform WEP of the Niti Aayog. Next, question number 13. India and Malaysia have agreed to deepen the cooperation in counter-terrorism and de-radicalization, cyber security, defense industry and maritime security. Next, question number 14. Retired Supreme Court Judge B.N. Sri Krishna will chair the ID verification and data sharing platform Equal's newly formed advisory board. Equal provide the identity authentication services for the large firm, boosting the digital integration with the several ID providers. Next, question number 15. Swiggy food delivery company has launched a new standalone food delivery app named the Snack by Swiggy. And the Snack is a 15-minute food delivery app offering the quick snack and meals similar to Zepto Cafe. Next, question number 16. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has unveiled the Bharat Clean Tech Manufacturing Platform, which the center described as an initiative designed to enhance India's clean tech value chain in the solar, wind, hydrogen and battery storage sectors. Next, question number 17. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the 6.5-kilometer Jade Morb tunnel in the central Kashmir's Ganderbal district, and the total expenditure is over 2,700 crore. Next, question number 18. Adani Group will invest 65,000 crore in energy and cement project in Chhattisgarh. Next, question number 19. Became the 34th state to join the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana ABPMJ scheme is Odisha. Next, question number 20. Launched a dedicated post-retirement benefit cell to enhance the welfare and convenience of its retired employees by the Southern Eastern Coalfield Limited SCCL. Next, question number 21. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has inaugurated the National Turmeric Board at Banijya Bhavan in New Delhi for the welfare of cultivators across 20 states. Next, question number 22. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Mission Mausam, which is aimed to make a country a weather-ready and climate-smart nation in New Delhi as a part of the events marking 150th Foundation Day of the India Meteorological Department IMD. Next, question number 23. Sri Ram Housing Finance has rebranded itself as the True Home Finance. Next, question number 24. Jyotiraditya M. Scindia has unveiled a series of initiatives including the Sanchar Sathi mobile app, the National Broadband Mission NBM 2.0 and the inauguration of the intra-circle roaming facility at the Digital Bharat Nidhi DBN funded 4G mobile sites. Next, question number 25. Government of Odisha Electronics and IT Department and the Singapore's Global Finance and Technology Network have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to establish a global competency center in Bhubaneswar to foster the fintech collaboration with a focus on the developing and inclusive and the sustainable insurtech and related areas. Next, 26. The government has introduced the Entity Locker, a new digital platform aimed at streamlining and the management and the verification of business and organization. Next, question number 27. The company has acquired the packaged food brand SIL Food India by Reliance Consumer Products. Next, question number 28. Government of India has set a target of 10,000 geographical indication GI tags of the Indian products by the year of 2030. Next, question number 29. The Ministry of MSMEs, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises has partnered with the Open Network for Digital Commerce ONDC to launch the MSME Trade Enable and the marketing team with a allocation of 2,277.35 crore. Next, 30. The cities have been accredited as the wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on platform are Indore and Udaipur. Next, question number 31. Nagaland Governor La Ganeshan has launched the Chief Minister Mobile Operation Theatre on the occasion of 76th Republic Day celebration in Kohima, Nagaland. Next, 32. International Saraswati Mahotsav 2025 has started at Adi Bodri in the Yamuna Nagar district in Haryana state. So these are the 32 important current affairs of January 2025. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then press the like button and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box, also in the pinned comment, or you get all the PDF file of this channel. So make sure you follow the Telegram group. And also check the playlist where you get the all kind of current affairs topic wise of 2024 and 2025 in this channel. So make sure you check the playlist. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.